First, I have RJ45. Then cable. So let's start. Cut the cable using crimping tool. Then after cutting the cable, separate the wires like this. Then arrange the wires using sample above. Then next is put the RJ45 on the wire I arranged. Then after that, use crimping tool to lock the RJ45. Then next is cut the same wire on the other side, same on the other one, and put again the RJ45. Then this is the final output. And I have Ethernet cable tester. And let's test the Ethernet cable and plug to the tester. As you can see, the light coming one after the other one until the end, and that's good.